Hey, I want to share something cool with you. There's a way to buy property without needing a huge deposit up front. I've used this strategy to help many clients, including myself, build wealth through property. My name is Ian Marsh. I'm a licensed real estate agent with over 40 years of experience. Let me show you two real examples of how I have recently used this strategy. I purchased an apartment in Southport, Queensland. Instead of paying a $60,000 deposit on a $600,000 apartment, I only needed $6,000 using something called a deposit bond. 15 months later, that apartment is now worth $870,000. That means a $6,000 investment turned into a $270,000 profit. Yahoo! I purchased another apartment in Mermaid Beach just a few months ago. This time, instead of a $130,000 deposit on a $1,300,000 apartment, I used a $16,000 deposit bond. Today, that apartment is already worth $1,500,000. So, what's a deposit bond? Think of it like a special ticket that lets you secure a property without having to lock away a huge deposit. The best part, you just need to have enough equity in another property. Let's look at those numbers again. On the Southport apartment, I put in $6,000 and made a $270,000 profit. That's like turning every $1,000 into $45,000. Right now, I believe Queensland is about to experience its biggest property boom in 40 years. And if you've got equity in a property, this strategy could help you be a part of it. Want to learn more strategies like this? Get my free consumer awareness guide. Because building wealth through property should be simple.